everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here today, and I am back with another video. So today I decided to be very brave and try to do a self-portrait. This was very interesting, and I have to say very time consuming, because I spent a lot of time trying to draw the image out on the canvas before I painted. And then I thought I was going to sit like this and paint like, the famous painters do. Well, I had rotator cuff surgery a couple months ago, and holding my hand up like that, after I painted this gray piece part here, I started to get a lot of pain in my hand. So I had to put it down on a flat surface, because I just could not keep holding up my hand like that. So, so I did the sides and the front. I tried to get it an even gray, like a light gray. I mixed the gray with white to lighten it up. And when I started this, I had a whole plan, but the plan just did not come together. So, I had to put it on a flat surface, and then I had to decide what colors I was going to use. And then, I'm not sure, I think I didn't put the camera far up over it enough, so you didn't get the whole entire canvas, because it was a 16 by 20 canvas I used, which is fairly big. And I keep forgetting every time I use that, my camera doesn't pick up all of it. So, apart from the hand, the issue with the hand, and having to put it on a flat surface, this is the best that I could have done. So, you know me, I like color. So, I did some bright colors. I painted myself in a pink and orange shirt. And then I did some other stuff. But it was fun. But I don't know if this looks like me. I think it kind of does, but I don't know. You could always leave a comment in the comment box for this. So what I'm gonna do, I didn't want you guys to sit and watch me paint for an hour and a half or more, it took a lot longer. I cut out a lot of this from the video. So I just did it like a time lapse, and I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. But remember, guys, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, because I discovered that is how your videos get shown. If the more people that like the video, the more YouTube will show the video to more people. So please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember, I still post every Tuesday and every Saturday. So you can leave a comment. You can share the video if you care to. And most of all, it would be really nice if you subscribe to my channel, because I think I have over 100 videos, 130 some videos that I've already posted that you can always go back and take a look at. So I just want to get you guys to start creating. That's the goal of this channel, to show you different things that you can do. You don't have to be Picasso or Kandinsky or anybody like that, but you can start somewhere and eventually get to where you want to go if your goal is to become an artist. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time on my next video. Okay, all right, well, bye now. Don't forget, don't stop watching. Watch till the end to see how it turns out, and I'll see you on my next video. All right then.